So I had to jump on and tell you guys this bit of information. I was just doing my research, well, my weekly COVID-19 research. So you guys, if you hear a kid in the background, my bad. I wasn't planning on doing this at all, but I had to jump on here and tell you because for all you buyers and sellers out there, I think it's important for you to know that all four of the largest iBuyers stopped buying houses last week. So, you've heard of them before: Opendoor, Offerpad, Zillow, and Redfin now. Well, they are out of the game and won't be buying any more homes, at least for now. So, let me start off by introducing myself. My name is Latrice DeLuna. I'm a local South Orange County realtor with Real Estate eBroker. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment, and like, please. If you've been to my channel before, welcome back. So, let's get right into it. The market is no longer favorable to iBuyers such as Redfin Now and Zillow, so they pulled out. Now, how these iBuyers like Redfin Now and Zillow worked is that they would buy a home at a price well below market value, basing that lowball value on necessary repairs, renovation, and other factors. Then after Redfin Now buys the home, it renovates it and resells it for a profit to other buyers or companies. Now, part of the beauty in doing business with iBuyers like Redfin Now or Zillow is that these iBuyers would offer the convenience of an all-cash offer, which meant speed and certainty of a fast sell, and usually being able to close in as quickly as 7 days. Great. Now, for the seller, this was music to their ears, right? But what we don't see is that the certainty of the fast sell also came at an extremely high price tag, resulting in these iBuyers like Redfin Now usually costing more than hiring a qualified realtor such as myself to sell your home on the open market. Typically, iBuyers such as Redfin Now not only offered less than the market value for the home, but they also charged a 7% flat fee, and they passed on additional costs to the seller, such as inspection fees and the cost of repairs and renovation, creating high losses in that homeowner's equity. So, there is certainly a space for iBuyers like Redfin Now or Zillow where a seller needs to make moves and make them quickly. But as a realtor, my job 1000% of the time is to protect my seller's best interest and get them as much money for their homes as possible. The goal is never to lowball you and cost you more money. So for me, good riddance, iBuyers. Sayonara, at least for now. Hey, I just wanted to pop in and say, if you're liking what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and ring the bell so that you can get notified every time a new video comes out. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. So, where does that leave sellers? Well, it leaves you to list with traditional real estate agents like myself. And I think it's important to note that my team and I not only get our sellers top dollars for their homes, but we also make sure that we negotiate the absolute best terms possible and sell quickly by using our amazing digital marketing strategies. We've been using technology long before COVID-19, and so because of that, we are positioned to succeed in a market where virtual tours and online marketing make for a successful selling. We would love to help you sell your home in this new environment. You can also take a look at one of my virtual tours of a home that I just listed a week ago on April 9th, which has already gained quite the interest. My team and I are here for you. All of our contact information is in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so that you can be alerted when a new video comes out. I have new videos every single week. Until next time, stay safe and sane out there, and thank you so much for watching.